Sir.
Oh, okay, tell me. If 0 is the remainder, last 3 digits will be?
Sir, 000.
000.
If 1 is the remainder?
Sir, 125.
125.
Yes, 1 to 5. 2?
Sir, 250.
Sir, 250.
3?
Sir, 375.
375. 4?
Sir, 500.
500. And 5?
Sir, 625.
625. 6?
Sir, 750.
750. And 7?
Sir, 875.
875.
Sir, 805.
875. So here, how we are getting this number means multiplying this number with 125 simply.
Yes, sir.
Reminder, we have to multiply with 125 to get the last 3 digits. Next, after 125, multiplication by 250. Multiplication by 250.
Sir, we'll take it as 1000.
Yes, we can make it 1000 by multiplying.
Sir,
By dividing by 4.
By dividing by 4, we can make it 1000. So we are making it 1000 means our base is 1000. 1000 consists of how many zeros?
Sir, 3 zeros.
Means we need to keep how many, we can place how many digits?
Sir, 3 digits.
30.
3 digits. Yeah, based on the remainder, we have to place the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits. Why many people are absent today? You are in which class?
Sir, A.
Sir,
Sir,
7.
7th grade. All of you are 7th
Sir,
grade.
6th, sir. Even 6th. Sir, 6th also.
Sir,
One second, just I'll keep a message in our
Sir,
Numbers.
Sir, except Natharth and Jaideep, all are from our class, 7th class.
Okay, wait.
Sir, is it compulsory to write the test, sir?
Yes, it is compulsory. Why?
No, sir, I was just thinking so because after the function, tomorrow is a friendship day, so we are going with friends. That's why I was.
In 24 hours, you need just 20 minutes. Okay.
Sir, we should write every test, sir.
Yeah, other than that 20 minutes, you can enjoy with your friends in 24 hours, remaining 24 hours.
Sir, I have 1,420 hours if
Okay. Right.
Sir,
Here
the
the
remainder.
remainder possibilities are 0, 1.
0, 1, 2, 3.
If 0 is the remainder,
Sir, 0, 0, 0.
0.
1,
Sir, 250.
250.
2,
Sir,
Sir,
500.
500, and 3,
Sir, 750.
50. Yes. Lastly, we'll see 500 also. Multiplication by 500.
Sir, divided by 2.
So yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Instead of multiplying by 500, we can divide the given number by 2. And based on the remainder, we need to keep how many digits last?
0
Sir,
and
0,
1.
0.
Yeah,
3, sir.
3 digits. Because we have paid 500 as 1000. That's why last 3 digits.
Sir, 6. So total 6. So 0.
Sir,
How
0
many, what are the remainder possibilities?
Sir, 0
0
and 1.
and 1.
0 and 1, that's all. Only 2 remainder possibilities.
Sir,
If
0,
0 is the
0,
remainder,
0,
last
0,
3 digits
0 is 0, 0, 0. 1 is
And 1 is 500.
Sir, 500. Sir,
500. That's all. Okay. So now we'll enter into questions.
So we should give the names.
Sir,
Already
we
given.
already gave
Names
the
are already there. Yes.
We
Yes.
gave already.
Yes.
Sir, last class only we gave.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Hmm.
Sir, first is Mahavir.
Mahavir.
Me. Yes, sir. Sir, so it's 46 multiplied by 50. So instead of multiplying by 50, we can divide it by 2.
Okay.
Sir, so it will be 23.
23.
Sir,
The
and
remainder here.
Sir, remainder is 0, sir. So we'll write 2 zeros.
2 zeros. Very good. Very good. Correct.
Sir, so it will be 2300.
Yes. Ritvik, N is there. in the
Yes,
class?
sir. Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Okay, carry on.
Yes, sir. It is 864 into 50. So instead of doing 50, we'll do by 2, sir. So we will get 423, sir. And then
30,
we have
sorry,
to
sorry,
add.
wait.
Yes,
400
sir. 23, sir.
no, 400 and
Sir, it's 6. Yes, sir. 32, sir.
32. Very good. Okay, next
Sir, I missed the 4. Yes, sir. After that, we have to keep 2 zeros.
2 zeros. So why 2 zeros? Because the remainder
Because
is
it's 50, sir.
0.
0, yes, sir.
Show
Sir,
Pranav.
if it's 5, we have to keep 1, right, sir?
No. If it is where it is 5,
I mean to say that if the number is 5, we will keep only 1 0, right, sir?
if the number is 5, yes. Because 5 will make it to 10. 10 consists of only 1 0. But
Yes.
50 we are making it 100 because 100 consists of 2 zeros. That's why last 2 digits.
Okay, sir.
Show Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
First, we should divide by 2.
No, 25. It is multiplication by 25. Previous is multiplication by 50.
Yes, sir.
Instead of multiplying by 25, we can divide it by.
Divide by 2, sir. Is equals to 36, sir, when we simplify.
No. Divide by 4. See here. It is also. It is there. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది కదా. Here is also there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
72 when divided by 4, what is the quotient?
So 80.
Wait, remaining persons.
Sir, I think 19.
No. 36, sorry. 72 by 2 is how much?
Sir, 36, sir.
36 by 2 is?
Sir, 36 by 2 is, sir, 15.
No. 36 by 2, not 30 by 2.
Sir, 13.
Okay. See, 36 by 2 I need. 30 by 2 is how much? 30 half.
Sir, 30 half. Sir, 30 half 10, sir.
15.
Sir,
6 and a half is
3.
Sir, 6 half is 3.
3. 15 plus 3?
Sir, 15 plus 3. Sir,
18.
18. So these things are already over.
Sir,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 2 zeros, sir.
18. Now what is the remainder here?
Sir, 0.
0 is the remainder. We need to keep last 2 digits as
Sir, last 2 zeros.
zeros. Very good. Then Ritvik R, I think.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik Reddy.
So first yes, sir. First 85 divided by 4, which is 21, and 1 we got 1 as remainder. So which 1 as
21.
remainder.
After 21, 1 is the remainder. Okay.
1 is the remainder. 1 into 25 is 25. So into 25 is 25. So you can write 2125.
Very good. Correct. Jaideep is
Sir,
there, I think.
Yes, sir. Sir, 86.8 into 50 can be written as 868 into 50. So 868 divided by 2 is 434. And as the remainder is 0, we should place two zeros at the end of the number, which will be 43,400. And we should place a decimal point from first right towards the digit. So it will be 4,340.
Very good. Excellent. Ashwad. Ashwad is there?
No, sir.
Okay, now entered.
No,
Okay,
sir.
meanwhile, we'll do G and H. Aditi? I think she is also not there.
Sir,
Aditi
sir,
has
can I,
started now only. Okay, Tashnika. Tashnika
Sir,
is also.
Ashwat joined now.
sir,
Sir.
can I tell it? Sir, can I take the H1?
Wait. Ashwat.
Yes,
Ashwat.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, okay. Explain your question. 4.2 into 50.
Sir, we can take it as 42 and divide it by 2, which is
Okay.
21, sir, 2.1. And 21 into 100 is 2100 or 2100.
Okay.
We can write it as 2.
At the end, put a decimal point.
Yes,
Put the
sir.
decimal point after.
After the first 0, sir.
Yes, first 0 from right side. So answer is 210. 210.
210.
Yes, very good. Aditi, why late many people? Okay, Aditi. Actually, today we should not waste time. Aditi,
Sir, Aditi is there. Sir, she is speaking, sir.
okay, technical problem something.
Sir,
Okay, carry on, Mahavir.
Sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
got his answer?
Sir, I took it. I asked
Sir?
sir and I took it.
Sir,
Aditi,
Aditi
wait,
is speaking.
Take me, sir.
Okay, Aditi, tell me.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Sorry?
Sir, she is telling that she can't hear you.
Why?
I don't know.
That is also from your end only. Problem is with your side only. Aditi, better rejoin again.
Sir, 2.8 I, sir.
Sir, I will leave and join, sir, once.
Okay.
Sir, can I do the G1, sir? I'm Ritvik.
Sir, can I take H1?
Sir, the H1, sir, I already told I will take the H1, sir.
You
If
don't-
Toshika comes, we'll give her.
Toshnika is not there, right?
Yes, if she comes, something.
Sir, can I do the H1?
Mahavir, okay, carry on.
Toshika doesn't come.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is 2.8 multiplied by 25.
Okay.
Sir, so first we can ignore the point, decimal point. Sir, so as it is 25, we need to divide it by 2. Sir, so it will be 14.
4, 25.
Sir, 28. No,
Fine.
sir, I'm telling. Sir, 28. Sir, it will divided by 4. It will be.
Directly also you can say 4 and 28.
Sir, it will be 4 and 28. So it will be 7.
Okay. How many zeros?
Sir, there will be 2 zeros as the base is 100.
Okay.
Sir, and there is one decimal place. So it will be we'll keep one decimal point. So the answer is 70.
Sir, 2.8 divided by 4 is nothing but 0.7, no, sir.
No. We consider that number as 28.
Yes.
28 by 4 is 7. And then because there is no remainder, that's why 2 zeros. Now we are keeping one decimal point after one digit. So decimal point after one digit. Okay. Aditi, are you able to speak now?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay, carry on.
Yes, sir. 3.
You have to multiply this number with 50. Instead of 50, what we can do?
We'll divide it by 4.
No,
Not 4.
2 only. Because if you divide it by 4, we'll make it 200. 200 is not our base number. 100 is our base number. That's why take 2 as a factor.
Yes.
Okay, tell me. 3,456 divided by 2 is how much?
17.
Wait. Remaining persons. Aditi?
Sir, may I tell?
Sir,
Wait.
can I?
Wait. 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 4. Sorry, divided by 2 is how much? Aditi? Is it speaking?
Sir, she's not there, sir.
Okay, anyone can tell.
Sir,
Sir,
Ritvik,
three-
sir, please, sir, can I do?
Tell the
First it
number.
will
Anyone.
come
3, 4, 5, 6 is divided will be 1728.
Sir, 1728.
1728. Okay.
Sir, we can add 2 zeros.
After that, what is the remainder?
Sir, 2 0. Sir, 2 0.
2 zeros.
Last 2 zeros.
And sir, we have
Sir,
to
one-
add the 2
Sir,
zeros.
Keep the decimal
So
point.
it will be 1,728.
1728.
1,728.00.
So it will be
Yes, that's all.
1728.
That's all.
Sir,
Very good.
actually, there are 2 zeros and 2 decimal places, so we can just write the directly answer as 1,728.
Yes. In the later classes, we'll see
So
decimal
we should
movement.
give the names.
Oh.
Sir, Mahavir will do it.
Sir,
Okay,
can I?
one by one, I'll ask. Shobhra now.
Hello, sir.
Tell me. Instead of multiplying by 125, what we can do?
Sir? Hello?
Shobhra now.
Hello, sir.
Okay. What happened?
Sorry, sir. I got
Hello, sir. Now can you hear me?
Yeah, we are able to hear.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir. I got
Divided by eight.
disconnected.
Okay, no issue. Sudisha, are you ready to do this question?
Sir, I actually wanted to ask, can you teach me this method, sir? Because I was absent yesterday.
Sorry?
Absent yesterday, so can you
Your voice is not audible. Not audible.
Sir,
Sudisha.
she's saying that she was absent in the last class. So can you explain her again?
Okay. We'll do one thing. Ashwath, are you there?
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Shivaprano?
Yeah, we are able to hear Shobhra from the beginning. Ashwath. Okay, let us make it faster. Mahavir, ready?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it is 125.
Okay.
Sir, so we need to divide it by 8.
Okay.
Or we can also we can divide by 2 3 times.
Yes, very
Sir,
good.
when we divide by 2, we'll get 13.
Hmm.
Sir, when we divide it again, we'll get 7.5.
13. Then.
Sir, 7.5.
Okay. Then.
Sir, if we divide it again
No, is it
by
7.5 or 6.5?
No, 6.5. 6.5.
Yeah, okay, 6.5.
Sir, then if we divide it by 2 again, we'll get 3.25.
3.25. Finally, it is 3.25.
Sir, we took the base as 1000, which has 3 zeros. Sir, so we'll
One second, Mahavir. 1 second. You should not do in this way because we need reminder here.
sir?
Yeah, sir. Reminder I got.
Can I tell, sir?
But here.
In 8 table, what is the nearest multiple of 8? Sorry, in 8
Sir,
table, what is the nearest multiple? 24. How many times it is 24?
Sir,
Sir, 3 times.
Sir, 3.
3 times it is 24. Now, what is the remainder here?
The 2 will be the
Two.
remainder.
If 2 is the remainder, last 3 digits will be
250. 500.
So 250.
500.
Sir, 500. Okay, understand.
Okay.
Sir, how did 500 came to
500 how, sir? 250, no.
Sorry. 125 2s are 250 only. It is not 500.
Sir,
It's 250.
Yeah, it is 250 only because the remainder into this multiplication factor.
Sir, we
Multiply
have to put the point.
50. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in here.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, 1 minute. No, sir, no doubt, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Yes. Sir, in the method I did.
Remember
Like
this point when we are doing multiplication by 125 or 50 or 5 or 500 or 250, we need reminders.
Sir, but my doubt is that, sir, if when I did I told I got the final answer as 3.25. When I shift the decimal point 3 places, then it will come 3,250 only, right?
Yes, that is also correct. But we are telling based on the remainder. So your point is this one, right? 26.
Sir, his method is very long.
No. That is also the same process only.
Sir, but I
Doing
got
the
the reminder
division is
as
somewhat
0.
long. For this small number, it is okay. For bigger numbers,
Okay, sir.
okay. So your method is this one. 26 into 125. We have made it into 8 by 8 means it will be 1000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
26 by 8 is 3.25. 3.5 into 1000 is your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are not doing that much long procedure. Simply 3 times and what is the remainder? Remainder multiply with that multiplier.
Sir, may I?
Sir, can you explain
Ashwath
it
Reddy.
again?
May I please?
Can I, sir?
Anyone can tell. Only one
Sir,
person.
may I?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I?
Sir, Jaideep, sir.
Sir, I already got answers, sir. 368 divided by 8 is 41.
Okay.
And 41, 0 is reminder. So we have to add more 3
Wait,
zeros.
Ritvik. Explain clearly.
Sir,
Instead of
300
multiplying by 125,
no sir, first
We divided by 8.
8.
divide by 8. Okay.
So which
Then
I got 41 and
Sorry?
41
4
41.
times it is 32. 32 means 48. Sorry, 32.
8 or 6.
Sir,
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 32,
divided by
sir,
8.
32 goes 4 times. Sir,
Yeah,
the
sir, and
remainder
8
will
goes
be.
one time, so it will be 41, sir.
Sir, it will be 2, sir. Sir, it will be 42.
Yeah, 42. only. 42, then 2 is the remainder, 28.
28.
In 28, how many times it will go?
Sir, 368 divided
Sir,
by
sir,
8
sir, I have a doubt here.
41.
368 divided by 8 is 46, right?
Sir, yes, sir, it is 46, right? Because, sir, we can take 8 and 32. 4 times 8 is equals to 32, right? 4. The remainder will be 4. It will be 48. 8 6 are 48. So it will be
48.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
46, sir.
46.
One second, 1 second. How it will be 46 you are telling? Just see,
Sir,
just see here.
368
It is
46
is correct.
is 46.
48, I think.
46.
46.
Let me explain. Let me finish it. 8 3s are, sorry, 8 4s are
Sir, 32.
32. Now what is the remainder here?
Sir, 4.
Sir, 4.
Okay. Now 48 it is.
Sir, it will be 43.
46 only. 8 8 6 are 46, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 8 6 are 46. Now the remainder is
Sir, 48, sir. 8 6 are 48.
8 8s are 64 na. 8 6 are 48. That's all. Now the remainder is
40.
Sir,
0. Remainder.
Sir, the remainder is 0.
That's why we need
Sir,
to keep
30.
40.
0 0.
Sir,
0, 0,
46
0. That's
sir.
all. That's clear.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you write again that 127? We have to divide it by 8 like this.
Sorry.
Sir, can you write again that 125 is equal? We have to divide by 8, then we'll get the answer. I forgot to write.
Which one you want?
So like now 125 we have to divide it by 8, so we'll get the answer.
Sir, this last slide you wrote, no, sir. 125 is equal.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
Reminder from
Instead of
Good,
multiplying by 125, I'm explaining directly on the question. Instead of multiplying by 125, we can divide the given number by 8. Okay. So if you divide this number, 4 times it is 32 and remainder 4, 48, 6 times it is 48. Now there is no remainder finally. And means 0 is the remainder. If 0 is the remainder, last 3 digits will be 0, 0, 0. That's all.
So then what about 125?
125, 0 times it is 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Okay. If the remainder is
did
1,
not
the last
understand.
3 digits will be 125. If the remainder is 2, 2 times of 125. If the remainder is 3, 3 times of 125.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then, okay, together we'll do because
Sir,
half time is already over.
4 5
Tell me.
64 divided by 8, no, sir.
7 times is
780.66.
36.
Sir, 7
Remainder?
times will take. So first we can take 7 times,
64.
sir.
Times
80.
64. So because in 5 it will not go, that's why I'm taking 0. Now 5 will be the remainder, right?
Yes, sir.
If 5 is the remainder, last 3 digits will be
Sir,
And
the last
25
three
into
digits
five,
will be,
sir.
the 5
6 to 5.
into
So
125.
5 5 is 25.
6
Sir,
So it
625.
will be 6 to
So
5.
it will be 2.
That's all. Answer is over.
Yeah, sir, 625.
Okay. Next, 250.
Sir,
250 means we need to
easy,
divide
sir.
this number by
Divide
Sir,
with
4.
4, sir.
4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. Remainder is
Remainder is
Sir,
1.
one.
So we can
1 is
take
the remainder. Last 3 digits will be
remainder is
Sir,
1.
250.
250.
50. That's all.
The answer will be
250.
That's all. Very good. Next. Next.
Sir, here also
Sir,
we
divided by 4,
Divide
sir.
it by 4.
2
5
1
times
0
it is
6
20.
divided by
Remainder
4.
1 10.
Sir, it will. Yeah,
Two
sir.
times it is
526.
8. Remainder 2 26.
Sir,
Sir,
52500.
Sir, it will be
6 times it
5
is
0.
24.
Yeah, sir.
Remainder
5
2.
0
Remainder
0.
Ah, yes. 526
Last 3 digits will be
500.
Five.
Sir, 500, sir.
Not 3 zeros. 500. Remainder is 500. Sorry,
Yes,
last
sir.
digit will
Yes,
be
sir.
500. Because it is not exactly divisible. If
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, how should we find that 250? We have the answer will be 4. We have to divide it by 4.
Because we should make this number as it's above base number. 250 above base number is 1000. No?
Yes, sir.
How to get 1000 from 250?
Sir, we need
Over
to multiply by 4.
Two into
That
how
is
much
why we
is
need.
1000? 4 times, right? That's why we
Yes,
are
sir.
taking 4 as the factor.
Okay, sir.
Then last question.
67 into 500
67,
we have to
500.
divide.
67 divided by 2,
7
sir.
by 2.
Sir, it will
3
be
times.
from 3
Again,
and
3 times.
23,
and 1
sir.
is
Remainder
divided,
one.
so we can keep 500, sir. So the answer
500.
is
That's all.
3,500, sir.
Yes, that's all. Very good.
Sir, can
Sir,
I
should
give a
we-
question?
Sorry?
So should I give names?
Sir, may I give a question?
Give.
Sir, 29. Sorry, not 29. Sir, 95.
95.
Into 250. Sorry.
250.
Yeah, 250. Sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir,
Instead of multiplying by 250 with
95
divide by
divided by
4.
8, sir.
This is
Sorry,
equal
sir.
2 times it
Sir,
is
2,
8.
8,
Remainder
1. Sir,
3
it
times
will
12.
3 is 3.
3 is the remainder.
3,
So
12.
3 into 250 is how much?
Sir, 750, sir. We can add 750.
Yes,
The
sir.
answer will be 23,700.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay. Who
Sir,
asked this
now-
question?
Sir, Aswad.
Ashwad. Okay. Okay. All of you keep quiet. Please stay in calm. Stay in mute condition. All of you mute.
Power cut, sir. I can't listen your voice.
All of you mute your audio. Okay. Now we are moving on to another multiplication, another type of multiplication. As we are mentioning from the beginning onwards, any number multiplication by 1 digit number. Any number multiplication by 1 digit. So how to do this 1 digit
Sir,
multiplication?
this will
First
also
see.
be for exam.
Yes, this also is there in the exam.
Single digit multiplication.
I'm taking any number like a 4, 9, 3, 7 into
Into
some
7.
number like okay 7. Okay. See, from left to right we are moving. 7 4s are.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Wait.
28.
7 4s are.
28.
4 is 28.
Try
And
to
we
learn
need to add two.
the method. Try to learn the method first. Okay.
It's 8
Next,
to
7
8
9s are
plus 9.
Sir, 63.
63. So 6 here, 3 here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next 7 3s are
21.
21.
21. 2
So
here.
2 years, 1.
7 7s are
49.
Sir, 49.
9.
So 4 down 9. We have to
now
add
the
now
additions from left to right. So first place actually 2, but the next place is carry. That's why 3.
3.
8 plus 6 end number 4. Next place no carry. That's why 4 only. 2 plus 3 5, but next place no carry. That's why 5 only. 1 plus 4 is 5. Again 4. Sorry, 5 and last digit.
So answer is 3,000.
Sir, I did not understand this, sir. Again, you can tell. Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay, see. 4 9 3 7 into 7 left to
So
right.
can I explain?
I'm explaining again. See. 7 4s are
7 4s are 28.
28, sir.
28. 28 we have to balance with 7 9s are
63.
63. We have to balance with 7 3s are
21.
21. We have to balance with 7 7s are
49.
49. So you know balancing, right? Drop
Yes,
unit
sir.
place, carry forward tens position.
Sir,
Okay.
I didn't understand still. But here
What
you
you are
are
not
Sir,
understanding?
understood, sir.
So 22.
Every digit we are
28
multiplying
is
simply.
as it is. We have to write 6 down and 3 up. 2 down and 1 up.
Wait.
4.
Remaining persons, wait. Just keep quiet. Whoever not understanding, they can speak. Who? Ritvik, you are not understanding.
understood.
Shiv Pranav, okay. Any other person?
No.
So every digit we have multiplied with 7. What is there in this? 4 7s are 28. 9 7s are 63. 3 sevens are 21. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, you
Yes,
tell.
After doing like this, here you kept
After
like
doing like this, drop units place 9, carry forward 4. 21 plus 4 is
25.
25. In that 25, again drop 5, carry forward 2. 63 plus 2,
sir, 65.
65. Again drop 5, carry forward 6. 28 plus 6 is
So
Sir,
34.
44.
34.
So
So
34.
instead of doing all this procedure, we are writing the numbers from the beginning only. We are writing the numbers in this way. We have taken first 28 as it is, and the next 63. I am writing 6 here, 3 here, and then 21 writing 2 here, 1 here, and then 49 4 here, 9 here. Okay, is it not better?
It's better.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you can give your names for this exercise.
All will get chance, sir, in this.
Sir, I gave second.
Yeah, everyone, I think everyone can get the chance because 14 questions are there.
Sir, how to do?
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
can I read the names?
Sir, I joined it. How do I do it?
Sir, Shiva Pranav C.
Okay.
Can I read, sir? Can I read the name, sir?
Cyrus, what happened?
I joined it. I don't know how to do the formula.
Okay. You just see while your friends are explaining. Even though you are not able to understand, then I can explain. I will explain.
Sir,
Okay,
Shiva
sir, thank
Pranav
you.
C.
Okay. See Shoprano. Next.
Sir, A. Mahavir.
A Mahavir.
Sir, D. Satvika.
D. Satvika.
D. Satvika.
Sir,
N.
N.
Toshnika.
Toshnika.
Sorry.
N. Toshnika.
Okay. Next.
D.
D.
Srishti.
Uh, B.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
G.
Sir, K.
Ritvik.
Jaideep. Sir, K. Jaideep.
Ritvik. Which Ritvik? G.
Sir,
Answer.
Ritvik Reddy.
Oh. Sir, R.
R.
Ritvik Reddy. RR.
Sir, you forgot to read K. Jaideep.
K. Jaideep. Okay.
Sir, M. Ashwat.
Sir, M.
M.
Ashwat.
M. Ashwad.
I.
I.
Ritvik.
I. Ritvik N.
I. Ritvik
L.
N.
Aditi.
L. Aditi.
L. Aditi. Okay.
Sir, H.
G. Ritvik Reddy.
Sir, G. Ritvik Reddy. Again H.
That's
Sir,
Abhi.
Sir, E. Sudisha. Sir, E.
E.
Sudisha.
Sudisha.
E.
Sudesha.
Sudisha.
Sir, that's it.
Sir, I didn't understand this,
You
sir.
have to write.
Excuse me, sir, I didn't understand this multiplication into 3.
Who? Name?
Ritvik, sir.
Sorry.
Ritvik, sir.
Okay.
Ritvik.
See while your friends are explaining. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
but no other person kept, sir.
Sir, can others take?
It's okay. Leave the remaining questions. I'll explain.
Sir, F. Mahavir. Sir, F. Mahavir again.
Is it not A? Your question is not A?
Sir, both of them, sir. No one is
Oh, no.
choosing, sir.
Anyone. I'll explain the remaining questions.
50 is H.
Okay. Let me explain that H question first. Okay. This is for Ritvik. Ritvik N. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm doing. Sorry, H.
Srishti.
Srishti already given. So don't.
He wants both
I
of
already mentioned in the beginning only. Don't interrupt the class. Okay. We don't have time. That's why. Because you have a class at 5 o'clock. If you are free, I can take up to 5:30 or 6 also. But you are not available. That's why.
Sir,
Okay.
we are available.
Sir, but 6th class have another class, right, sir?
That's why only. Don't interrupt the class. Okay. H I am explaining. Ritvik C. Left to right we are moving. First to do 3 twos. 3 twos. How much?
Sir, 6.
6. Next to do 5 threes.
Sir, 15.
Yeah, as it is a double digit number, I am writing in this way. 1 here, 5 here. Next, 3 6. Tell me.
Sir,
3, 6,
18,
9.
sir.
18, 1 here, 8 here.
Yes, sir, I was in.
Then balance. So 7, 68. 7, 6, 8. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Sir?
Huh.
Sir, I'm Mahavir.
Tell.
Talking. Sir, can I actually change my question?
Which question you want?
Sir, J.
Okay, I expected this.
Sir, then can I take A?
Okay, I will explain here. Okay,
Got a chance, right?
it is simple as 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 2 here, 1 here. Then answer will be 81. Simple. Okay, then Srishti,
That was easy, right?
what is happening in the chat box?
Sir, nothing.
Nothing.
So nothing.
Okay. Toshnika, just wait. Just wait.
Sir, I think she kept to you privately.
Okay. Srishti, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, carry on.
Sir, 7 into 6 is 42 and 6 plus 6 is 36. So 42 plus 3 is 45. And we'll write 6 addresses. So the answer is 456.
56. Very good. Correct. Show Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 6 2s are 12.
Okay.
Sir, 6 6 are 36.
Okay. 3 here, 6 here. 3 will be carry. Okay.
Sir,
Now final answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, 156.
156. That's all. Then Satvik. Satvika or Satvik?
Sir, Satvika.
Satvika. Okay. Carry on.
Sir, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4.
No. Left to right. 7 7s are first.
Sir,
7 7s are
49.
4.
2 7s are
9.
14. Okay.
2 7s are 14. 14 will be in this way. 1 here, 4 here. So then balance 49 plus 1. Satvika.
Sir, 495.
Yeah. No. How 495? 1 is added to 9, not 4.
Sir,
49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is
50.
50 and 4. 504. Okay, 1 is in carry. We should not add it to 4 again. It will be 14 before.
Sir, even if we do from right to left, we are getting the same answer.
You should get the same answer. Otherwise, your processor will be wrong. Whatever may be the method, you should get the answer as same answer, right? Because it is mathematics. Whoever tell 7 6 how much means everybody should tell the same answer. Everyone should not give the different answers.
Sir,
Right?
everyone should tell 42.
40.
2.
42. Okay. Then Sudisha.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 78 into 9.
Hmm.
Sir, 9 7s are 63.
9 7s are 63. Okay.
Sir, 9 8s are, it is, sir, 9 8s are 72.
72. Okay. 63 plus 7 is how much?
Sir, 63 plus 7 is 70
70 and then 2.
plus.
That's all. 7 not 2 is the answer. Then this is my question. 3 8s are no. This is a Cyrus question. Okay. Cyrus will explain this. Cyrus.
Sir, I still don't understand.
Okay, see, left to right we are moving. 8 3s are 8 3s are
Sir,
Cyrus, respond. 8 3s are
24.
2 4. First number as it is. Next. 3 3s are
9.
9. That's all. 249 because there is no carry here.
Oh,
Cyrus, understood?
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
If not, I'll take one more question.
No, sir, I understand.
Okay.
So can you please explain a long question with 7, like having with 4 or 5 digits?
Okay. Tell me any question, any digits.
Okay, 6.
Sir, 57685.
Okay, randomly. Yeah, okay, sir.
5 7
685.
5, 6,
57685.
Sir,
605.
56785.
5, 6,
Sir, 7805.
7, 9 into 7. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, sorry, Toshnika and as well all the remaining persons also. First 7, 5, sir.
Sir, 35.
7, 6, sir.
Sir, 42.
42 is a double
Four
digit.
here,
That's
two
right.
here.
2.
7 0
7, 0,
Sir,
sir.
0.
7, 7, 7,
Sir,
sir.
49.
49, sir. 4 here, 9 there.
7, 9, sir.
63.
Sir, 63.
6 here,
Sir,
3
3.
there.
So now balances. Simply balancing.
Sir, it is
Three.
3 9.
Next
3,
to 9.
9, 2, 5,
2.
9, 2,
So it will be
4,
5 because
I
the
will
next
take
is
5
carry.
because next one is carry.
5, 5, 3.
9 plus 6 any
5.
number.
So, sir, it will be 5
Last
and 3.
Okay, Toshnika.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you.
Any bigger number into single digit, this is the process. Then Ritvik Reddy.
Sir, so the question is 642 into 4.
Hmm.
So 4 6 is 24
Okay,
and 4 4 are 16. 1 here 6 there
okay.
and 4 2 is 8. We can keep 8. Yeah. There.
Because it's a
And
single
so-
digit.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sir. 2 5 6 8. Sir. So the answer will be 2568.
Very good. Ritvik, N.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 7s are 21, sir. 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. And then if you add it, it will be 2 2 2 3.
Very good, very good. Then Mahavir.
Yes, sir. Sir, 9 2 is 18.
Okay,
Sir, again 9 2 is 18. So 1 carry over and 8. Sir, 9 3 it's 27. 2 carry over and 7. Sir, when we added first 1, sir, 1 after that, no, sir. Sir, sir, the next one is not like it doesn't have any carryover.
but
Sir, but
get carry, right?
yes, sir.
Finally we'll
Sir,
get carry. Okay, you can proceed from left to right or right to left.
Sir, sir, left to right only, sir. Sir, but 8 plus 2 is 10. Sir, so 8 plus 1 will get a carryover, which will be 10.
10
So
means
we'll
this
write
one will be 2. Okay, 2.
Sir, then like 8 plus 1, but the next one is a carryover, so we'll write 0.
Hmm.
Sir, it is 8 plus 2, so it will be 0 and 7.
Very good. Okay. Then Jaydeep.
Yes, sir. Sir, 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 0 is 0, 7 into 5 is 35, so 3 down, 5 up, and 7 into 9 is 63, so 6 down, 3 up. So when we add them together, it will be 7,430.
7,413. Correct. Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 4 8s are 32,
Okay.
4 6 are 24, 2 down, 4 up,
Okay.
4 3s are 12, 1 down, 2 up,
Okay.
4 1s are 4. So when we add them up together, we get 3 4 5 2 4.
Very good. Then
Yes, sir.
Ashwin.
Yes, sir. 5 8s are 40.
Okay.
4 8s are 32, sir. 3 carry, 2 beside.
Okay.
3 8s are 24. 2 carry, 4 beside.
Okay.
2 8s are 16. 1 carry, 6 beside. And if we add, we will get 4 3 4 5 6.
Very good. Toshnika, now your question.
Yes, sir. 4097 into 7. So first we need to multiply 7 with 4. The answer is
Okay.
28. You can write it straight away.
Okay.
Next, 7 multiplied by 0, it's 0.
Okay.
7 multiplied by 9, it is 7 and 63. So you're going to write 6 below and 3 on the top beside 0.
Okay.
And now 7, 7 7 49. So 4 below 3 and 9 beside 3.
Okay.
And now our total answer after balancing is 28679.
7 9. That's all. Very good. Yes. All of you are clear with the 1 digit and any number with 1 digit multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we are moving on to another special multiplication.
Sir, 2 digit.
No.
Ekadikena.
Two digit
Sir,
and
we
two
have
digit.
done this.
Wait. 2 digit and 2 digit, 3 digit and 3 digit, 2 digit and 4 digit. We'll see all these things in general multiplications. So as it is
But we
required
have
for us,
done
that's why we have seen this here. Okay.
But we have done Ekadikena Purvana, no, sir.
Yeah, this is one more application for Ekadikena Purvena. So I already mentioned every sutra, just we are introducing, not ending. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ekadikena Purvena, we have already used it in the previous somewhere, and this is another application of the same sutra. So many times we'll come across this sutra again and again. Okay, Ekadikena Purvena. One more application for this is see, like 83 into 87. Any observation in this?
The 8 plus
Sir,
8
they
and
both
7
are
plus 3.
they both are 2-digit numbers.
Yeah, both are 2-digit numbers. Okay. Any
Sir,
other observation?
8 is common.
Yeah, first place 8 is common, 10th place 8 is common. Okay. Any other observations?
Sir, they both have base same.
Same base. Okay. Next,
Sir.
what about these two? If you add these two,
So if we add both, we'll get even.
no, 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
here
if
the
we add
condition
both,
is,
we'll get even.
see, the condition is, conditions are, number 1, units place adding to 10, correct or not? Units
Yes, sir.
place
Yes, sir.
adding to,
Sir, so the multiplicand should be 1
and
or
next, what about the 10th place? 10th place is same.
sir.
As there
Yes,
are only 2 digits, we are telling about 10th place. If there are 3 digits, we'll tell about 100th place also. 4 digits, we'll tell about 1000th place also. Right?
Sir,
Yeah. Tell Mahavir.
sir, like you told us three digits, right?
Okay.
Sir, so in the 3-digit condition, should the 10th place be also be same, or should the 10th place be
Suppose if it is 102 into 108.
108 multiplied by 108?
So here the condition, see, units place is adding to 10
Yes, sir.
and the remaining number same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is
Sir,
the second
so
condition.
the condition is only units place, sum should be 10 and
Okay.
all the other numbers should be same.
Yeah, remaining, I'm telling remaining number same. Stop chatting in chat box. Stop writing in chat box.
They were chatting.
They're fighting.
Sir, I was not fighting, so I got disconnected. I was just asking that who was chatting, sir.
Don't write anything. If you have any doubt, you can ask me directly by stopping.
Sudisha is telling that stop chatting. Ashwath is telling that stop chatting.
You can explain again, sir.
I'm telling all of you, I'm telling for all of you, don't write anything in the chat. Again, I got a message. Don't write anything in the chat box. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can stop me and you can ask any doubt.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
I'm just explaining the concept here. Okay, till it is not completed yet.
Yes, sir. You are explaining just the conditions to do it.
Okay, so if these two conditions are satisfied, we have a best shortcut. See, tell any other combinations of any two numbers with these two conditions. Any two numbers.
1, 5, 6, 8, 7.
Sorry,
Sir, 1, 5, 6,
Can I
8,
tell,
7.
sir?
with
Sir,
two
6
digit
and 4,
numbers.
sir. Sir, 6 and 4.
Sir, 5, 8. 58
Five.
multiplied by 52.
52. Very good. Tell any other combination.
Mm,
Sir, can I tell, sir, Ritvik?
Sir, 96,
29
94.
into 21. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
96 into 94.
Okay.
So
96 into 9.
1008.
Ma'am, sorry, sir.
Sir, 26 into
75 into 75.
All of you,
75
wait,
into
wait.
75. Sir,
Wait.
27 into
Sir,
29.
69 plus 25.
sir, this is also coming for exam.
Yes.
Yes,
So, can you do it like 1002 into 1008?
Yes, we can do. Just see the answers first. See the shortcut first. All of you, wait.
Sir,
Listen.
what is then how will we do 75 into 75?
We'll do everything. Okay, just listen to me first. Okay, 75 into 75 also we can do. So because it
Sir,
is also
64
satisfying
plus 25.
everything satisfying this condition. Okay. Every pair satisfying this condition, we can apply the shortcut. So first is the shortcut.
Understand this method.
Sorry,
Sir, I did not understand this method.
I have not explained method till now. Okay, we are just checking the conditions and we are taking base. How to answer this? Now I am explaining. See. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, first half will be given by first part and second half will be given by second part. Okay, here the part means vertical. Okay, ekadikena purvena means what? 7. One number more is
8.
8.
8, sir.
Yeah, 9. One number more will be
Sir, 10.
10. 6. One number more is
Sir, 7.
7. Now see, what is the common number in this question?
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
One number more is
Sir, 9.
8 nines are
Sir,
Sir, 72.
8 nines are 70.
72, sir.
Now 3 sevens are
21.
Sir, 21.
that's all. That is the answer.
Sir,
That's the answer.
So I have
83 into 9.
Okay, I will explain again. All of you wait. All of you here.
83 into 9.
Wait. Here many questions are there. First, let me solve these questions. Okay, all of you understood this method. First part will be given by first part only.
No, sir, I didn't.
I'm explaining again. See, what is the common number? Multiply with the next number. 8 multiply with the 9. 7 multiply with 6. If it is 5, multiply with the 6. Sorry, 7 multiply with 8. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 9, we got this 72, and simply multiply the last 2 digits. 3 sevens are 21. That is 21.
Sir, I have one.
I'm explaining this question. See, 10. What is the common number?
Sir, 11.
10 11. 10. Next number is
11.
10 11s are
Sir, 10 11 are 110.
110. Then 2 8s are
sir,
16.
16. That's all. That is the answer. 1 1 0 and 1 6.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, it will be 94 into 74.
No, because it is not satisfying these conditions. These conditions, if these conditions are applied, then we can use the shortcut.
Okay, sir.
Which is common, we have to take before number and after number and multiply with that number.
Yes.
Sir,
simple.
can you explain 29 into 21?
Yeah, I'll explain. Okay, I got your point. I will explain that also. See, 5 multiply with the next number. 6.
sir,
5
6
6
will be 30. Sir, 30.
2 8
Sir, 16. 3060.
3060.
Now we'll see this one first. 9 multiply with the next number 10.
Sir,
9
90. Sir, 90 and
24.
24. Now we'll solve this one also. This one also. See, what is the common number? 7. Multiply with the next number.
5.
7 8 are
Sir, 5 also. 5.
56. 7 8 are 56.
Sir, 56.
Now multiply n numbers. 5 5 are
Sir, 25.
Sir, 5 is also
25.
common, right?
5.
Sir,
No. Units place is adding to 10. Except that units place here, this is our point. Remaining number means this one. Okay. Now see this question carefully. What is the common number here?
2.
Sir, 2.
2.
Sir, 6.
2 2s are 4. But next 9 ones are 9. If you write it like this, 49, it will be a wrong answer, right?
sir, 2 2s are 4. Sir, but we should take
See,
sir, but we should take 3 now, sir.
after getting first part, we need to take 2 positions. Okay, always we need to fill up 2 positions. 9 ones are actually 9, but represented by 2 digit number.
We add 09.
Sir,
Yeah, it's a 0 9. That's all.
0,
That is the answer.
Sir,
4 0.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Why 009, sir? I didn't understand.
Excuse me, sir.
09.
Sir, our other classes started, sir.
Other classes started, but we'll complete this exercise in just 5 minutes.
Excuse me, sir. The before one should be 609, sir, not 40.
No. Oh, yes. Sorry. We have to
Sir,
multiply
you
with the
did
next
not
number.
show, only they are giving names, sir.
No, sir, you showed, sir. You went down, then I posted, it went again up, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I posted it. correct time.
Common number is 2. 2 multiply with the next number. 2 3s are 6. 609. That's all. Very good.
Yes, sir. Sir, it starts.
Correct number, sir.
Sir, when you went down only, I posted, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, A. Mahavir.
Sir, A. Mahavir.
A. Mahavir.
Mahavir, sir. C. Sudisha.
E. Sudisha.
I. Jaydeep.
Shiva Pranav.
E. Sudisha.
Shiva Pranav.
C. Shiva Pranav.
Pranav. Okay.
I Jaydeep.
I. Jaydeep.
Okay.
J Ashwath.
Ashwath.
J. Ashwath.
E. Ritvik.
Okay.
Ritvik.
Ritvik Ara, sir.
Okay.
G. Satvika.
G.
Satvika.
Satvika. Okay.
Sir, F. Srishti.
F.
Srishti.
Srishti. Okay.
Sir, E.
Then I. Toshika.
E. Ritvik.
I is already over.
Sir,
Two questions are remaining. B and H.
So I took B actually.
Okay.
B Toshnika. H
B.
Aditi.
Toshnika.
B. Toshnika and
H. Aditi.
okay. Over. Wait.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, if there is a zero in between, how do we do?
Sorry.
Sir,
Where?
if there is a zero in between of the numbers, how do we do?
So there is a 0 in this example. See.
Sir, if
Except
zero
that
is
last,
not the
except that
answer,
units place remaining numbers. See, 10. We have to consider it as 10, not 0, 1 and 0.
Yes. Sir, in the exam, we'll get until this point.
Yeah, up to this part.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I start?
Start. Because
Sir?
we don't have time.
Sir, the question is 73 multiplied by 77.
Hmm.
Sir, so first we can, 7 3s are 21.
No. Okay. Right side part you are telling. Okay.
Sir, 21.
Hmm.
Sir, then it is 7 multiplied by 7, but we can we need to take 7 successor.
Successor.
Sir, 8
Yes.
multiplied by 7.
Hmm.
Sir, which is 56.
Okay.
Sir, so the answer is 5621.
Sir,
That's very good.
sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, our another class is started, sir. So can I do I and leave, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Jenny. Start.
Sir, 29 is common, sir. So we should multiply 29 it's with successor, sir, which will be 870. And we should multiply 7 into
29?
3, which,
Successor is 30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
870.
and 7 into 3 is 21. So we should add the 21 to beside 870, which will be 87,021.
Very good. Very good. Carry on.
Actually, 29 multiplied by 30 wouldn't be a little bit like hard.
29 multiplied by 30 is hard.
No, sir. Yes. 29 multiplied by 3, sir, which is.
Then keep a 0.
Yes, sir. Then keep it.
Toshnika.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
58 into 52, which
Hmm.
is 8 to the 16. Directly straight away we can write 16.
Okay.
And then the successor of 5 is 6. So 6 5 is 30. The answer is 3016.
Very good. Then show Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 8 into 9 is equals to 72.
8 into 9. Yeah. Okay. Next number is 72. Next. 1 9 times.
Sir, 1 into sir is equals to 09.
Yeah. Very good. 09. Correct. Then Sudisha.
Sir, our other class is starting. Sir, can I just do the J bit and go?
Okay. Okay. J.
Sir, 303 into 307, sir. Now 3 into 7 is 21, sir.
Okay.
And 30 into 31 is 930, sir.
Okay.
93,021, sir. Why, sir?
Very good. Very good. Okay. Carry on. Sudisha.
Sir, here 104 plus 104 into 106.
Hmm.
So it is carrying 0, sir. So it will become 11 into 10.
Hmm.
So where the answer will be 110.
110. Then.
So 4 into 6 is 24, sir.
Okay. 24. Next, Ritvik Reddy.
Yes, sir. So the question is 42 into 48.
Hmm.
So 4 successor is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. And
Okay.
2 into
Sorry.
sir
Okay.
20. And 2 into 8 is
20. Then
16, sir. 2 into 8 is
2 8s are
16, sir. 16.
16. Very good. 16.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 into 3, but 3 successor is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12.
Okay.
And 6 4s are 24. So the answer is 1 2 2 4.
24. Very good.
1220.
Correct. Satvika.
So we will multiply 9 with 10.
Okay.
So 90.
Hmm.
And then 7 3s are 21.
21. So if this
Sir, can I
condition
leave?
applies, then it is very easy, right?
Sir, can I leave?
Hi. Whoever want to leave, they can leave. Only one question is remaining. We'll all together, all will leave. Aditi.
Yes, sir. So I will start with the right side. 7
Okay.
6 are 21.
Hmm.
We'll increase one number of 2, so it will be 3. So 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 621.
That's all. Very good. Okay. So prepare well for tomorrow's exam, and once revise all the classes, and just check your Google Classroom, because I have given some homework also. Okay. All those things will come in.
Sir, once can you go up and show this? Sir, can you
Yes, Toshnika. Yes. From
Sir,
I think from Tuesday. Toshnika.
Oh, yeah, sir. Yeah, okay.
Sir, can you go a little bit up? Yes, sir. 1 minute. One sir.
Okay. So then today we are going to.
Sir, we have maths class on leaving.
Yeah. Anyone can leave. Everyone can leave. Whoever class, but whoever having doubt, they can ask.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts? Anyone?
No,
Shall
sir.
we leave?
Sir, tomorrow
Yes,
exam
sir.
they will give us which format, sir? Means I did not understand.
Sorry.
Ask Sutra. They will ask Sutras or.
No, I will not ask any sutras. I'll just give a question. And there will be a question mark. You need to fill that question mark with any one option A, B, C, D.
Sir, you can like normally, like you can also, can you all ask also questions like in this question, one number is 28. So what will be the other number?
That means we'll ask like what
Let
is
us
the
do all those
what is the method?
experiments in the later exams. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means